Hi everyone, today is a very exciting day. I just received my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus and I just wanted to share with you my new product. I'm very happy. So this is the packaging it came in. Meet the next level power. And let's take it out of the box. So my version is the N975F. This one is a dual SIM version. I got this one from Malaysia, and this one is 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. So let's keep the phone on the side for a bit. Let me show you what's inside the packaging. This is the fast charger, as you can see, but there's something new here. Normally you get a USB type A to USB type C, but this one is type C to type C, as you can see. Fast charging, super fast charging, and this time the Note 10 Plus supports up to 45 watts fast charging, but this one doesn't support 45 watts in the box. I think this one is Quick Charge 3 compatible. I have to test it out though. So let's keep that on the box. What else is there? This is the S Pen tips, and this one is the cable, type C to type C, just like the Thunderbolt ports in laptops. And we've also got the AKG headphones. So this one is different as well. This time around, the Galaxy Note 10 and the 10 Plus does not have 3.5mm audio jack, which is very unfortunate. I would have loved if it had a headphone jack, but anyway, this one is a type C headphone, so no complaints there. Anyway, the color I got, it's called the Aurora Glow. So let me just show you the phone. Let's keep everything aside. So this is the color I got, and as you can see, it's quite shimmery, but in real life I think it's actually closer to a silver color, and but right now it looks like the back of a CD. Anyway, so let's turn it on. So one thing I didn't like about this phone, this is a 6.8-inch Quad HD display. The only thing I didn't like is this power button is on the left hand side, and if you're a left-handed person it's alright, but if you are a right-handed person, usually all the other phones I've ever used were on the right-hand side, and so this is kind of an annoyance for me. Anyway, let's just this is the display. It's a beautiful, gorgeous AMOLED display, and as you can see, it's a 6.8-inch screen, but still it's quite handy. It doesn't feel like a 6.8-incher. And let's get inside. So this is how it looks like. Beautiful display. And let me go into the camera. This is the front camera. This one is a 10 megapixel autofocus camera, and let's just take a quick sample shot. This one has 3 cameras. As you can see, this is the picture quality. It's quite nice. This one has 3 cameras. You've got your normal camera, then you've got your zoom. This one is a normal, this one is a zoom, and this one is the ultra wide. So as you can see, this one is the ultra wide, and it's also got a TOF sensor right here. You can see this one measures depth, and it comes in handy when you're doing live focus and all that sort of stuff, and air stuff. And the most important part of the Galaxy Note 10 Plus or even the Note 10 is this S Pen, as you can see, and it's an amazing thing. You can take pictures with it. If you press the button, it takes a picture. If you flip it upwards, it goes to the front-facing camera. If you go to the right, it goes to other modes, and so on. If you go to the left, it goes on to other modes, and you can like zoom in, go to other modes as well. So this is a very nice and handy tool to have. and also you can have all those functionalities of the Galaxy Note line, like you can take screen off memos. So if you hold this button, double tap on the screen, and now also the music started. I don't know why. I have to check that out. So hello, my handwriting is quite poor, as you can see. Anyway, so this is how it works. Let me just turn the music off. So the speakers, I'm quite happy with the speakers. Let me just do a sound test for you. So as you can see, the speakers are quite decent enough, but I still believe that the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus and even the S10 Plus has a bit more oomph than the Note 10 Plus, but it's decent enough. Anyway, so this was my short hands-on and overview of this phone. I'm really enjoying it, and this is just the first day, so I'm gonna come up with a review quite soon. And oh, I also have a size comparison for you guys with my Mi Max 3. As you can see, I've got this Mi Max 3 here, and this one is a 6.9 inch phone. And look at this Galaxy Note 10 Plus is a 6.8 inch phone. But still, look at the size difference. As you can see, this phone fits inside the other one. And it's quite amazing what Samsung's done with this. It's quite amazing, as you can see. So anyway, guys, thanks for being with me all this time. And I'm going to come up with a review quite soon. And if you do like my content, do subscribe. See you in the next one. Thanks.